Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take off a Ford Fiesta gear knob. First, locate the base of the gear gaiter, which is the fabric or leather cover around the gear stick. Gently pull it upwards from the bottom edge. It should unclip with a little force, revealing the lower part of the gear stick and the securing mechanism. Make sure your car is in neutral to give you the best access and flexibility for the next steps. Once the gaiter is lifted, you'll see its plastic frame. Gently unclip this frame from the surrounding console. Now, direct your attention to the base of the gear knob itself. Many Ford Fiesta models have a small retaining clip or collar here. If you spot one, use a small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it open. This clip is crucial for holding the knob in place, so be gentle to avoid damage. With the retaining clip released, or if your model doesn't have one, the next step depends on your specific Fiesta. Some gear knobs are designed to simply twist off. Try rotating the knob counterclockwise with a firm grip. If twisting doesn't work, it likely requires a strong, steady pull upwards. Ensure you pull straight up to prevent bending the gear stick shaft. A firm, consistent pull is often more effective than a sudden jerk. Once the knob is free, it should slide completely off the gear stick shaft. Take a moment to inspect the shaft for any debris or wear. It's a good idea to clean the shaft and the surrounding console area before you install your new gear knob or reassemble the old one. This ensures a clean fit and smooth operation. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make your daily routine smoother, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.